English Easy Speaking.
Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new English practice video. In this lesson, you'll train your brain to speak English more fluently. We'll follow a fun 4-part structure. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Stay with me, repeat out loud, and by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Part 1, listening practice. First, listen to a short conversation between two friends. They're trying to decide what to do on a quiet afternoon.
Hey, do you have any plans this afternoon?
Not really. I was just going to read a book at home.
How about we grab some coffee at that new cafe downtown?
Oh, I've been wanting to try that place.
Great. They say the caramel latte there really hits the spot.
Sounds tempting. What time were you thinking?
Around 3 o'clock?
Perfect. I'll meet you there.
Awesome. It'll be nice to catch up.
Part 2, vocabulary.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the conversation.
Grab some coffee. A casual way to say go out for coffee.
Example. Let's grab some coffee after work.
Let's grab some coffee so we can chat.
Grab some coffee? We should grab some coffee.
Hits the spot. Something that feels especially satisfying when you want it.
Example. This hot soup really hits the spot on a cold day.
Hits the spot. That hits the spot.
Catch up. To talk with someone you haven't seen in a while and share news.
Example. We should meet and catch up sometime.
Catch up.
Eventually we'll catch up. We always catch up.
Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Watch this video more than once. Answer the questions out loud. And keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the faster you'll improve.
Part 3, listen and answer practice.
Now, let's check your understanding of the conversation. I'll ask questions, you answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer.
Not really. I was just going to read a book at home.
What was Sophie planning to do this afternoon? Read a book at home.
How about we grab some coffee at that new cafe downtown?
Where did Liam suggest going? To a new cafe downtown.
Great. They say the caramel latte there really hits the spot.
What drink does Liam mention? The caramel latte.
Around 3 o'clock?
What time did Liam suggest meeting? Around 3 o'clock. What does catch up mean? To talk and share news with someone you haven't seen in a while.
Great job! Keep answering out loud, your brain learns faster that way.
Part 4, shadowing practice.
Now, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line right after you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and the way the words rise and fall.
Hey, do you have any plans this afternoon? How about we grab some coffee at that new cafe downtown? Great. They say the caramel latte there really hits the spot. Around 3 o'clock? It'll be nice to catch up.
Not really. I was just going to read a book at home. Wanting to try that place. Sounds tempting. What time were you thinking? Perfect. I'll meet you there.
Well done, you've completed all 4 parts of today's English speaking practice. Repeat this video every day for 1 week, and you'll notice a big improvement in your listening and speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out another practice video right here. Keep going, your English will get better and better. See you next time.